How to make banana pancakes. In a bowl, start mashing the bananas until it becomes uniform in texture. Add the egg, oil, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and flour. Add a little at a time until well combined. Heat a nonstick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease the pan with a small amount of butter or oil. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot pan for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. Look for bubbles forming on the surface and edges starting to set. Flip the pancake carefully and cook the other side 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown.